Ultravision has been in business 17 years now, based in Swan Hill, Victoria. Ultravision are proud to be an Australian-owned company, and we design and manufacture all products right here in Swan Hill. So being Australian-made allows us to be super responsive to our customers' needs. We have a fantastic team of dedicated people that are incredibly passionate about what they do. Our quality control is very important to us at Ultravision, especially as our products are used in the most extreme environments. Our customers deserve the very best. We will continue to innovate as technology advances. This is our promise.